In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync audio and video in Clipchamp. Whether you're creating content for a professional project or just for fun, getting your audio perfectly in line with your video is crucial. Let's walk through this step-by-step guide. First, open up your browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. If you already have an account, you can sign in quickly. Just click the sign in button at the top of the page. For those using Microsoft accounts, there's a straightforward option to continue with Microsoft. Click on the Continue with Microsoft button and you'll be prompted to select your Microsoft account. Once selected, you'll be smoothly directed back to Clipchamp's homepage. Now that you're on the Clipchamp home interface, you'll want to start a new project. Click on Create a New Video. This button is usually prominent on the homepage, making it easy to get started. This leads you to the central editing interface, where you'll perform most of your video editing tasks. Next, you need to import your media files. Look for the option that allows you to import media. By doing this, you can bring both your video and audio files onto the platform. Make sure to import both components, as our aim is to synchronize them for a seamless final product. Once your media files are imported, it's time to move them onto the editing timeline. This is done by simply dragging and dropping your audio and video files from the media bin onto the timeline below. The timeline is your workspace where all the magic, editing, trimming, and syncing happens. Now here's where the critical task is: syncing the audio with the video. To begin, drag the audio file along the timeline to the point where it matches your video perfectly. It's helpful to zoom in on the timeline for finer adjustments, ensuring the audio starts exactly when the video kicks in. Take your time here. Sometimes a little patience makes a big difference in achieving precise synchronization. After lining up the audio with the video clip, play back the sequence to check if they sync perfectly. Listen attentively to ensure that there are no lags or mismatches. If it's not quite right, continue tweaking it until the audio matches the video's action flawlessly. It's often a good idea to review more than once to catch any sneaky delays you might have missed initially. And there you have it. With your audio now perfectly synced with the video, you're ready to proceed with further editing or exporting your project. This technique is not only crucial for professional videos, but also enhances the viewer's experience, making your content much more engaging and polished.